Hey guys, my name is Charmaine and I just wanted to do this video today to express my thanks and say thank you to Rafael. Because of Rafael, I am able to get lots of results at the moment for my dropshipping business. I remember time I joined the course around May, and because of Rafael, I'm able to actually hit new numbers in I think April. Yeah, April. And then after that, I was able to hit good numbers again just recently in September. So I have been trying dropshipping for I think 1 to 2 years on and off. I wasn't able to get lots of good results previously. I found some winners, but I didn't know, or I didn't have the expertise to actually scale up my business with Facebook. I guess I didn't really know how to run my Facebook ads. But after I joined Rafael course, he introduced me to to meet new people, and then I was able to, with their help and with Rafael's help, I was really able to grow up so quickly. And I really have to say that he's one of the best mentors in the dropshipping and the e-commerce industry, because there's no one else, there's no other mentors out there that is able to give you so much tips and so much and to respond to you. I have actually attended a few courses, and it's not as great as Rafael course. Thank you.